We just rode Roaring Rapids. Hey, Rebecca, how was it? She's soaked. Oh, funny. Friends Ryan and Ailey down there with their kids. Oh, too funny, man. We're like, I recognize these people. And yeah, Nolan somewhere with us. And he's up ahead. Not too wet. My backside got it on one of the little hills. It was really good. Empty. Not cheaply. Yeah, we didn't really get blasted too badly. Nolan, you survived. Not too soaked. Michelle, how'd you fare? Yeah.
And not too bad.
No. Yeah. My shoes are dry. That's my most important thing. We're gonna have to go do some Aquaman too. So I mean, Yankee Flipper.